yeah, we ate something else. And alright. Okay. Okay, first we're gonna eat some things. And it's in here. And wait. Teleport!
Even
Alright, and here.
even
And
skip pa.
okay, let's start again. Hey guys, welcome to part 10 and then we're gonna eat something. And
Papunta doon sa palengke ba?
and
Okay, dala mo na dyan yung ano, sabihin natin,
Yeah.
dala mo na dyan yung pwede rin kahit dito papunta palengke, itong gagawin mo. Yung diretso mo.
and oh, that's so cool, right?
You know you can shake that.
Diyan
I
mo.
know. You can shake that. I know. Shake it. Shake it. No, you need this. No. You need this.
Dati man, gulit ano man.
Wait.
Wait,
I mean
bakit
this.
dito mo na?
That green light.
Hindi naman kahit yung ano.
I'm just gonna spam.
Alright. If you like this video, if you like or
I'm gonna spam.
like this video if you like part 11 next. Good luck.